Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the radar. So here I have a servo motor connected with an ultrasonic sensor, and you're gonna need male to male jumper cables and also male to female, and then you're gonna need a breadboard and active buzzer. So let's get started. First, you're gonna put the negative side to the negative side of the breadboard like that, and then you're gonna put the positive side of the buzzer to pin 6, and for the servo motor you're gonna need 3 cables, 3 male to male cables, and then you're gonna need to put the red part to the positive of the breadboard and negative part, the black or the brown part, to the negative, and the yellow part is gonna be connected to our Arduino. So we're gonna connect it like this to the GND, and also you're gonna need to connect the GND to the breadboard and the positive 5-volt to the positive. Then what you're gonna need is you're gonna need to connect 2 rail wells, so you need another 2 cables of these, and connect them to positive and negative to negative. As you can see, I have the code already, so it's buzzing, don't worry about it. Then we're gonna need to connect the servo motor, so you need to use male to female cables. So you're gonna put the GND and trigger and also the Elegoo and VCC. You need to connect the VCC to the positive and the GND to the negative. So as you can see, it's kind of wobbling, so you're gonna need to make it close. And just like that, you're done. And now we're gonna need to add this. And for the trigger and for the Elegoo part, we're gonna put the trigger to pin 3. So you put it like this, and then Elegoo pin to pin 2. Then once you're done connecting, you can connect the buzzer and then run the code. The code is in the comments, you can check it, and close the code, go to VS Code, and then run the code. as you can see. As you can see, it's working, and so if something gets close, it beeps, and that's how you can make a radar. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching.